Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Panda Photographer. We are in New York City, and I had another bad food experience with Diggs once again here in Williamsburg. This time, they dropped the ball. So on August 12th, I got some food, and I reported back to Good to Go that my food order was wrong. I know I was supposed to look in the back, but this is what occurred. I was in Diggs for 16 minutes and 37 seconds. I even asked Diggs and Good to Go to watch the footage and get back to me. That's why on the left-hand side of the screen, you see the emails exchange between me and Good to Go. On the right-hand side is a full refund they issued back to me today. And normally, Good to Go does not do refunds. What they do is vouchers instead. So you can place another order, whatever you want to place the order somewhere else. But in this scenario, they had to refund me because my findings about a certain individual working for Diggs was absolutely correct. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a documentarian, photographer. This is what I do for a living. I went to Diggs, and this individual that was under the influence totally for 16 minutes and 37 seconds forgot that I was even present after being told that I'm here to pick up 2 orders of Good to Go orders, bowls, vegan, please. And I don't think he understands what vegan is also. But instead, I got 2 chicken bowls or whatever it was. Turkey, chicken, with macaroni and cheese. And I send those to Good to Go. And I just want to share this experience as of today, August 24th. It took this long, since August 12th, to Good to Go in the restaurant to make an investigation. And the reason why they refunded me, because the investigation turned out that I was right about the employee was under the influence, because maybe he was under the influence this time, and if this story was brought to their attention, and that same night that individual was working, might have been working currently. So take this with a grain of salt, everybody. Good to Go normally does not refund people. It just gives you vouchers instead. But in this scenario, I was right about my work. I witnessed and demonstrated and made good observation of someone being under the influence of marijuana while serving the public. Now, some people can do the job under the influence, but this guy was so confused for 16 minutes. He kept scratching his head, going back and forth. He kept saying, "Oh snap, what am I supposed to do?" He asked me a second time, "What was your order again?" And I was like, 2 vegan bowls. He refused to give me the vegan bowls, but instead, for 16 minutes and 37 seconds, I was handed a bag, closed bag, and I knew it was someone else's food. Once I was like, wait, let me just check this. I walk to the corner, and that's like, oh, I gotta take a picture of this. He gives me 2 bowls with macaroni and cheese. I'm not sure it was chicken or turkey, whatever it may be, but Good to Go on Diggs. This is the 3rd time this has happened. And not only that, Good to Go and Diggs must have looked at that footage. I gave them a timeline. So hopefully, you guys can understand why I'm getting a refund. As I said, Good to Go normally does not refund people or agree with me. So I'm gonna take another shot of something. I do want to apologize. I got a screenshot that I want to show you really quickly here. Just to emphasize that they did refund me. This is an invoice. After doing their investigation, they found out that my story was absolutely true. Not only that, he gave me someone else's order, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm sure it was someone else's order, but the individual that was working at Diggs wasn't paying attention. This is why New York City, people, if you're going to work for an establishment, a food establishment, you got to understand what a vegan option is, what a vegetarian option is. If you don't know the difference, you need to go to dietary school or be a dietitian. because obviously a lot of people don't know what a vegan option is at Just Salad and at Diggs. And this is not the first time, as I said, this has happened at Diggs or Just Salad. I'm not sure people are not educated, but good to go. Good to go. I just want you guys to know that this is an everyday problem. Some people are just not educated. They just don't know. So with that said, everyone, this is my story using Good to Go, and it took over 10 days to figure this out. What happened with my food order? Keep in mind, I gave the food to the homeless. I gave the food to Justin. Justin can verify it. So, with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. See ya.